Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, leather seats, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, climate control multi-zone, climate control automatic. Come see the car for yourself.